whether they have, I think most of them are still in...
Amina ni uretie unyitaniri hamwe na aruti wira ruhonge-ini ruru niguo gutigira githomo gia ciana cia bururi ni kiagacira.
I believe, having been a civil servant myself for over 32 years, that expertise actually is domiciled in the Ministry of Education.
Ohamina ni ugite ni guthi na mbere na gwitia mishemanio makiria niguo kwaririria maundu maingi mangethaire ruhonge ruru hamwe na mogaruruku maria marathi na mbere bururi-ini.
Then the responsibility that has been entrusted on our ministry, the Ministry of Education, to impact the lives of millions of children and young adults, to shape their future and in turn that of our country.
Munini wake mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini ruru Bellew Kipsang ni ugite ni hariririe kurutithania wira na minister mweru wa githomo hari gutigira githomo ni kiagacira bururi-ini.
The population of students and children that we manage in this sector are 17 million. So sometimes when we sit in certain places, it is as though you are running a whole country.
Ihinda-ini oro riu arugamiria honge itiganite ministry-ini ya githomo ni mataririe mitaratara iria maigite hari kurehe maiganania na githomo gikinyaniru kuri arutwo othe a guku bururi-ini. Mamwe ma mogaruruku makoretwo magitwarithio na mbere ni hamwe na mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa 2-6-3-3 uria waruguririo mwaka muhituku ni uria wari minister wa githomo Fred Matiang'i.
So we are very happy and
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni toria kwani Wanjiru wa Njuguna.